Facts about grapes. Some of the most common ways we use grapes is to eat them fresh, preserve them in cans, dry them into raisins and crush them for wine or juice.
If you're new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.
Grape growing is the largest food industry in the world as there are more than 60 species and 8,000 varieties of grapes. All of them can be used to make juice and wine. Main types of grapes. The two main types of grapes in the world are American and European. They come in seeded and seedless varieties. American grapes are available in September and October every year, although European grapes are available all year. The best-selling grape in America is called the Thompson Seedless. Golden raisins are made from these type of grapes. There are more than 72 million tons of grapes altogether, which means there are roughly 25 million acres of grapes in the world. Grapes for wine. It takes about 1.4 kilograms of grapes, 2.5 pounds to produce a single bottle of wine. 1 acre of grapes can produce an average of about 15,000 glasses of wine. The average person eats 8 pounds of grapes each year, although I wouldn't eat all that at once. Eating too many grapes can give a laxative effect. One grapevine can grow up to 15.5 meters, 50 feet long, and can have about 40 clusters of grapes. Each grape cluster has an average of 75 grapes. Using grapes as a snack. Grapes are made up of 80% water, which make them a low-calorie dessert or snack. Raisins, dried grapes, are made up of about 15% water. Fresh grapes can be stored in the fridge for 2 to 3 days, when kept wrapped up in either a plastic bag or a covered container. Grapes are extremely good for your health. They can help to cure problems such as Alzheimer's disease, asthma, constipation, heart diseases, indigestion, kidney diseases and migraine. Eating grapes will also minimize the risk of having a heart attack. Well, so far this year, I've not touched a grape, although after realizing the benefits it has, I might go to town and get some, or not.